Do you have processes that machine on two sides of a tool? This capability can be built into the NC Simul tool library for proper simulation. With this grooving finishing tool path, the machine should cut the left-hand side of the groove with the left-hand side of the insert. Then, the machine should use the second compensation defined for the right-hand side of the groove and tool. This example is currently not machining properly when D2 is activated, as the toolpath is maintained on the left-hand side of the tool. To fix it, open the tool library and go to the Compensation tab. Create a second compensation using the value of the default compensation for X, Y, and Z, as well as the default corner radius. When zooming in on the tooltip, notice that two compensations are currently at the same location. The only difference is that the second compensation's imaginary tool nose is not at the correct location. To move the second compensation to the other side, input the width of the insert. From the CAM software, in this case Esprit Edge, retrieve this value and add it to the X compensation field. The last thing to do is to select the correct point for the imaginary tool nose number. Because it is the opposite side of the insert, select the inverse point from the default compensation. Once the tool library is reloaded, the errors have disappeared and the tool is now correctly following the toolpath. Now the project is properly prepared for a complete full picture certification of the G-code on the digital twin.